Hi, everybody. Last time we saw the raw steno demo. My favorite part of it was the lobster fishing. That was so fun. Okay, today we're going to talk about the three different careers in stenography.
Last time we saw how different branches of stenography can be real-time, verbatim, or both. Today we're going to explore the emotional environment of each branch of stenography and the corresponding levels of pay that can be earned in each branch. Here you see a graph depicting the environment from adversarial to negative to positive on the x-axis. On the y-axis, you see money earned from less to more. At the top left-hand corner are the court reporters who work in an adversarial environment and make the most money. If you can keep your wits about you and not get emotionally affected by all the drama being discussed, and can still be a clean real-time stenographer in that emotionally charged negative environment, you can make the most money. If you are enjoying my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. But there have been some court reporters who have had an experience of increasing anxiety on the job and being emotionally affected. I remember reading somewhere in a court reporter's forum that someone said they had nightmares relating to what they heard on the job. Yet there are other court reporters who have learned to let all that roll off their shoulders. They are not affected emotionally by hearing so many sad witness testimonies and enduring the adversarial environment of lawyers being against each other. It doesn't affect them at all. In the middle of the graph, you have the broadcast captioners who listen to negative news reports and have to switch topics in one broadcast from a car accident to the weather to the international news and all kinds of vocabulary that's different. They have to be able to listen to all that negativity and not let it make them feel depressed. They get higher pay than the cart providers, I think. Lastly, there are the cart providers who have a happy environment. In my career, I work with deaf and hard of hearing students attending university classes in STEM subjects. I listen to all kinds of lectures, from architecture to med school to engineering, physics, chemistry, etc. Also, I have provided real-time stenography for webinars on many different government topics, such as Medicare and Medicaid, business webinars, and educational webinars. It's really interesting and fun. The environment is definitely way more positive, but for that, the pay is less than court reporting. Art providers don't charge transcript fees on top of appearance fees. We just get paid hourly for the hour of real-time captioning, and all the post-production cleanup time is up to you to be fast or slow. The whole graph shown for environment is just an estimate of how much stenographers make. Sloppy stenographers have the same line graph, but bring the whole line down lower. I think a real-time cart provider can possibly make more than a sloppy court reporter.
Okay, so you see there are three different branches of stenography, and the the cart providers are in the happiest environment, and the court reporters are in the most negative and adversarial environment. If you can handle the court reporting environment, you have the potential to make the highest pay. Next time, we'll see how each branch of stenography is difficult in its own way. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.